Alright, to take a look at the TROND power strip with GAN 3 USB-C charger. So we have wall outlets on 3 sides, and we have feet on the bottom. And on the front, we have 2 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports. Now this has a long 5-foot cord on it, and it's also fairly thick, which I like. And one of the things I really like about this is this offset plug. So you can see how this kind of angles out to the bottom. So what that means is that if you put a power brick underneath it, you're still going to be able to have room to plug this in. And because this is coming out the side and not the back, what that means is if you want to plug this into a wall and then you want to put a shelf or something in front of it, you can actually do that with this. So this is the correct way to make a plug. When I plug it in, we can see we got a blue light on here so that we know that it is actually on. And if I plug my phone in, we can see that that is super fast charging. Let's plug in my wireless mic system. So that's charging as well. And if I throw my laptop on here, yep, that is lighting up as well. So yeah, a very nice little brick. I also like that you can fold the cord down so you can have it standing up like a tower. So yeah, overall that is a very cool power strip.